Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Grab yourself a sweet tea and come see where we've been to this time. Today's video is from 2021. Pops had a GoPro on his chest and this is the video he got. My brother took him down here to see me and the Smokies. I wasn't with them on this hike but have been here before.
This is probably the best shot.
Oh yeah.
Now my brother also has a video from this hike on his channel and I will link to it in the description. Let me know in them there comments if you've ever been here or if there is something that we missed. Also, don't y'all forget to like, share, and subscribe so I can see y'all back here next time.